Looks like the iPhone SE 4 is gearing up for a big launch in early 2025. New reports are dropping, and things are looking pretty promising for Apple's next budget-friendly powerhouse. According to tech insider Jukin Losrev, yes, the guy who's always on top of the latest leaks, Apple's already ordered displays for the SE 4, and the camera module is going into mass production this December. LG Innotek, Apple's camera partner, is kicking things off with some test runs, and if all goes well, mass production will be in full swing by the end of the year. Why does this matter? Well, LG typically starts ramping up production about 3 months before a phone's release, which means we're looking at a potential iPhone SE 4 launch in March 2025, just like the rumors have been saying. Now, don't get too comfortable just yet. None of this is officially confirmed, but it all lines up with what other sources, like Mark Gurman, have been predicting. So it's safe to say this thing's probably coming out in that March to June window. Let's talk features. The iPhone SE 4 is set to get a big glow up. For starters, it's rumored to sport a 6.1-inch OLED display, ditching the old 4.7-inch screen from the 2022 model. But here's the kicker. No one knows if it'll have a notch, a dynamic island, or even something totally new. Some leaks suggest it might get a smaller notch, similar to the iPhone 14, which would be a fresh change. As for the camera, it's likely to feature a single lens setup, but with a big upgrade, possibly a 48-megapixel lens. Combine that with AI optimization, and this could be a beast for mobile photography. Plus, the SE 4 might run on the A17 Pro or A18 chip, paired with 8 gigs of RAM, making it a serious performance boost over the SE 3. But here's where things get really interesting. The SE 4 is rumored to be the first iPhone to feature Apple's own 5G modem, slowly replacing Qualcomm's tech. Plus, it could be rocking a USB-C port and maybe even an action button, a feature you'd normally find on higher-end models. As for design, we're expecting something that's pretty similar to the iPhone 16, all screen, no home button. So yeah, we're looking at an iPhone SE 4 that's not just affordable, but packed with flagship-level upgrades. But here's the thing, the price might still be around $500, which isn't exactly cheap compared to older SE models. So while it'll be the budget iPhone, it's definitely stepping up in terms of performance and features. What do you think about all these rumors? Excited or holding out for something more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks and all the latest tech updates. Catch you in the next video.